Alright, so to 30 days of scales, day 2, B major, a remote key, and possibly the key to you understanding all major scales. We're going to be looking at whole steps and half steps so you can see how easy it really is. Let's take a look at the keyboard so you can see how the whole steps and half steps line up. Remember, whole, whole, half, whole step, and then whole, whole, half. We're going to start on the note B right here. And we're going to need a whole step, half step, and then a whole step in between, and then whole step, half step. When you look at the bells, we start on the note B, and we're going to need a whole step, half step, and then a whole step in between, and then whole step, half step. If you look at an instrument fingering chart, you start on the note B, and then you're going to need a whole step, half step, and then there'll be a whole step in between, and then whole step, half step. The half steps are literally right next to each other in a line. On a fret type fingering chart, you're going to start on the note B, and then you have a note in between, whole step, half step, and then you have a whole step in between, and then you have whole step, half step. Or whether it's ukulele, guitar, bass, or any other fingering chart, it's still going to have the same kind of pattern. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step. Thank you for watching Day 2 B major scale. I did not do the circle of fifths today because I think with a remote key like this, it's just best to know your whole steps and half steps for any major scale, and it's actually easy. If you just start with B, you can just skip a note. If you don't have a keyboard, then you're going to have to figure out what your half steps and whole steps are based on your fingering chart. You can skip one note for whole step and then just go neighboring notes for half steps. Alright, thanks for watching B major, and have a great day.